Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing this pink eye makeup look for this festive season. If you like this look, then please keep on watching. First of all, I am using primer. This one is from the Blue Heaven and applying it near my nose, forehead and chin area. Next, for the foundation, here I am using Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation and I am in the shade Golden Beige. Now applying it all over my face in the dots. With the help of the beauty blender, blending it all over my face in the proper dabbing motion. Always remember, you have to dab your foundation, don't drag your foundation, so you can get the full coverage. This foundation is almost medium to sheer coverage foundation. It is not the full coverage foundation. Next up, for the concealer, here I am using one of my favorite concealers. This one is from the Swiss Beauty and the shade is 05, covering under eyes, forehead, tip of my nose and near my mouth also. Now with the help of the same beauty blender, blending it properly. Next, to set my base, I am using Lakme powder foundation. With the help of the same beauty blender, applying it under my eyes, almost in every area where I have concealed. Now, with the help of a brush, I am applying it all over my face again. Next, I am using Makeup Revolution palette. This one is Neutrals 2 और इसके brown shade से I am giving some warmth to my face, applying it in hollows of my cheeks and blending it upwards. Next, for my crease, I am using this shade. This one is baby pink sort of color from the same palette and blending it in my crease area. Next, I am picking up this darker shade to enhance my crease line and outer V. Here I am using this pencil brush. After that, I am picking the shimmery shade from the same palette with the help of my small fingers and धीरे से lids पे apply कर लूँगी. Next, I am blending all the colors properly so that कोई harsh line ना show हो. Now applying the same two colors near my waterline also and blending it very properly. Okay, now next I am using Nykaa black kajal in the waterline. And now smudging it थोड़ा सा so that soft glam सा look आए. So next up I am using Lakme Insta Liner और एक छोटा सा wing liner ड्रॉ कर लूँगी. बहुत ही पतली सी लाइन के साथ हमें wing liner ड्रॉ करना है ताकि कोई एक्स्ट्रा ड्रामा ना लगे. Here I am using Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara and applying a good amount of it. Coating my lower lashes also. Next, from the same palette, I am using this shade as a blush. Now for eyebrows, I am using Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil and shade है इसका 0 to dark brown और lightly filling my brows. Next I am highlighting my face. For this I am using Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in the shade Precious Petal. Highlighting my cheeks. Bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose also. Forehead and chin. Now I am packing this all with Swiss Beauty setting spray and with the help of the beauty blender एक बार फिर से सब blend कर लूँगी बहुत properly. Next for lipstick, here I am using Mad Me liquid lipstick. This is a Morvi kind of pink shade. Mixing it up with the Nykaa's Madras Kapi lipstick. Now completing this look by wearing these small jhumkas, and here I complete my look. If you like this look, then make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel.